Get your clips ready with Topaz. Create a new adjustment layer over all your clips. Now add these effects from the effects panel. Turn off all the effects. Only turn on S_sharpen and copy my settings. Now turn on BCC unsharp mask and copy my settings. Next turn on S_glow and change the brightness to 0.125. Now turn on looks and click on the edit icon to go inside looks. Copy exactly what I do. After that, click on the tick icon to save and exit. Change the strength to 60. Now turn on the second looks effect. Click on the edit icon to go inside looks. Add the effect LUT and select the dead LUT. Click on the tick icon to save and exit. Change the strength to 55. Now turn on 4 color gradient and copy my settings. Copy my color hex code and click OK. And apply the same color to all 4 colors. Change the blending mode to soft light and set the opacity to 8. Turn on Lumetric key and copy my setting. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.